Nandita Maurya. If you don't know, I'm a food blogger and I am exploring different kinds of food and I'm trying to explore that food who no one has explored. So let's today come with me and welcome back to my channel once again. And today, actually right now, I'm focusing on Thane West and Thane East. So almost I have completed my Thane West. Like I'm thinking I have completed. Then I thought let me share with you guys that food about in Thane East. So because I think most of the people they don't know about this foods and guys, I'm trying to explore not five-star hotel, but I'm exploring those foods like street foods, and it is good, like anyone can afford, and the quality is also good, and definitely in taste also you will like. So today I am taking you Indrajit Bhajiwala. So see, all the details I will share, like what is the special about in his bhaji. So there I will tell you, and how to reach there. What you have to do, suppose if you are taking auto rickshaw, then you have to tell that auto driver Thane East and nearby Shiv Temple. So from there you can find it. So I'm very excited because it's my first time, like I haven't eaten anything in Thane East. So I'm very excited to try that food, and especially there are some special thing about in his bhaji. So come with me, and I'm very excited. Let's come with me. And guys, I wanted to tell you something about his Indrajit Bhajiwala. See, he is very common guy, and he has completed his 30-year-old, like to sell, he has completed his 30-year-old to sell that bhaji. So he's very old man, and there is no any, like he not any special thing, like he does not have a lot of financial, like he's not capable to open his five-star hotel. So actually what he does, he open his shop on that charpai we call, so on that thela. In a very simple word I'm telling you, in thela. So he purchased his bhaji. So let's come with me because I haven't seen actually, and definitely you guys should try, and you guys should support that who sell that food on street. Instead of going in that five-star hotel, we should support that street foods, because actually what happened, they are very poor, and they create different kind of food taste. So we haven't tried. And what happened in five-star hotel, that food is very expensive, but the taste is zero. Like if you have tried, then you know better than me. But I like to guys, like literally I'm telling you, frankly speaking, I like to eat street foods. Like really, in street foods, the taste, I don't know, the taste is really very delicious, and oh my god, I liked it. While standing, go anywhere, eat. So I'm very excited, and one humble request to you guys, please support street foods and try to eat their foods. Okay. So hey guys, finally I reached here, and right now there is not too much crowd, because I think when I was speaking with him, so he told me at like 7 or 8, a lot of crowd was there, and like if you don't know, then wait, I will try. And I'm going, and I will give my order, and I will show you guys. Okay, and that price is I think very cheap, and so I'm very excited.
सन्ना भजी सिंधी स्टाइल
So this is Sanna Bhaji, and he will cook that in a Sindhi style, like we call it Sindhi. तो ये सिंधी का है, मतलब सिंधी डिश है.
जी.
So now he is breaking all the bhaji. That bhaji, they all are already cooked. So again he will cook in that oil.
अभी हाफ फ्राई है.
What? क्या?
ये हाफ फ्राई है अभी वापस से.
Okay, half fry. So it is half fry. So again he will do. I don't know. I am seeing this for the very first time.
ये हो गया हाफ फ्राई. अब ये फुल फ्राई के लिए रेडी.
Okay, so that was half fry. Now it is going in that deep fry.
You said never let me go. 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 You said
So now he is breaking all the green chili. You can see that small kid.
अभी ये सन्ना भजी रेडी हो गया.
So now the sanna bhaji almost has ready. So now he's take out all the bhaji. And this is special in that Indrajit Bhaji Wala. So you guys must try this recipe here if you are coming to Thane East, nearby that Shiv temple,
खोपरी का.
Kopri. So now he will tell all the dishes name, and this is what we
ये
call.
बटाटा भजी है.
So this is batata bhaji.
यहाँ का खोपरी का फेमस भजी है.
Yeah, this is famous in Kopris. So you guys should try this. And this is green chili. This is green chili already. You can see. Great. And
ये बटाटा वड़ा है.
yeah, vada
Sindhi
pav.
vada.
Okay, this is Sindhi vada. So this is Sindhi vada, guys. Not normal vada pav. This is Sindhi vada pav. So you should try this. And that's already sanna bhaji. You have seen he already deep fried. This is Sindhi chutney, and now he will tell what
हरा
is
पुदीना.
hara pudina or.
उसमें
So you should try this because this chutney is very famous here, right? यहाँ पे बहुत famous है ना ये. Thank you. Lot of people are coming, going, taking that their bhaji. So now he has given me that Sindhi bhaji and that deep fried bhaji and that pav, and with them he has given me that chutney and that green chili. How can we forget, like, with these things to eat that green chili? And this is actually good breakfast, I will tell you guys. You should try this. You should must try this. So hey guys, I'm trying his delicious looking yummy breakfast. So I want to try that batata first. This one, and I'm trying this first bite. So let's see how it will the taste will come. It's really delicious, literally, and that batata, that this one is that upside. I think he made of that besan, so it's very very crunchy. Like you can hear the noise, how much crunchy it is, and that potato. This potato is very soft. Like wait, I will show you, because when I ate, so I understood. He cooked very nicely. You can see it's too soft, and when you will eat, so that crunchiness and that the boiled potato taste is really very delicious. And with chutney, oh my god, literally his chutney is amazing. So now I'm trying that deep fried bhaji. I think this is very famous, because first he cooked like half fry. He has done that half fry, then later again he do that deep fry. So that's why double frying. So I'm trying, and let's see how the taste will. Again, it is very crunchy, and in this that really it's very crunchy, and little bit that imli taste was coming. Like maybe they have mixed. It's really very, very crunchy. Oh my god, it's amazing. And that green chili, not that much of spicy, and his chutney is wow. So you should come to Kopri in Thane East, and you should definitely try his bhaji. And I liked it, really I liked it, his bhaji. And you should try, you come here and try his bhaji, that deep fried Sindhi bhaji, and that batata vada also you can try. And it's really very delicious, and it is located in nearby Kopri, opposite to that Shiv temple. That first is that Idli Dosa center, then second his stall you will get. So actually he had multiple 2-3 that thela nearby that Shiv temples in that corner. He told me right now, so you can go there, you can eat there also. And when I asked him why you haven't mentioned that nameplate, so he told me like he's like now he will stick that nameplate. So you should come to Kopri Thane East, and if you like, so when you will take that batata, so 18 rupees plate with that vada. And if you will take that deep fried bhaji, so one plate it will cost to you 80 rupees. And you want to take that chili also, again 20 rupees. And his vada pav also, again 20-25. But I'm telling you, the quality is very nice, and you will never get disappointed by his food or his breakfast, because it's really delicious. It's okay, it's like not that much of expensive. It is expensive, but yeah, I can tell you that taste is, you will get all the tasteful things in his breakfast. So you should try, you should come here. And if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. I will see you soon in my next video next week. Till then, take care and bye, and have a nice day. Bye.